Yo, what's going on, YouTube? This your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson here, man, president and CEO of Hustle Hand Academy, baby. Man, I haven't shot a video. Why haven't I shot a video, man? Because I've been doing some great things, baby. Look what I've been doing. I cleaned my inventory. My wife loves me for this. She's so happy. Look at that. Got everything stacked up. Ooh. They don't make them like this no more, y'all. Old Jerry Plate, man. Rest in peace, Jerry, man. That was my old boss. Got some carpet from the 95 Chevy Caprice, some pinstripes, some grenades. Ooh, this is a secret. This is some, from Texas type stuff, you feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna put that on there sometime. Stay tuned for the video. Locks, power tools, oils. Got some more over here. Gonna walk over here, show you a little more. Man. A shop vac right there. Things to get the job done. Look at this. Even cleaned out the closet. Yeah, I had got, what I had to do was, my buddy was having some engine problems with his vehicle that he bought for his girl. So he needed my engine puller, and I had an engine puller from when I had got my very first company car, the 93 Chevy Caprice. Well, it was the 92 Chevy Caprice. It had the skirts on it, and it was white. I got a video, you can see it a little later, but when I had that car, I had an engine puller, and make a long story short, he needed the engine puller, so I had to go to storage and get it, and I have not been in storage to get anything for a while, so it was buried. But hey, while I thought it was buried, I said, since I'm getting back into detailing / body work, things of that, I said I might as well dig through my storage. I know I have a lot of detailing stuff, but now I'm on like detailing on steroids, man. So it's just a great thing. Let me show you guys something cool real quick. I wanted to show you guys something really cool. Somebody drew a picture of my car, a fan of mine, Mark. Man, shout out to Mark. He's a good artist, but he drew a picture for me. But I can't seem to find it. When I do, I'll shoot a video and show it. But this is what I do, y'all, man. Being underpaid is a choice, man. Your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson, man. Everybody needs to develop a hustle hand. See, here's the greatest part about all this. You have skills and talents anyway. Those are hobbies. Let's turn around and let's see how we can make a hustle out of it. How can we make, what is a hustle? A hustle is something you do to get paid. You know, like on the movies when they show in New York City, the people who do the card tricks or the ball in the cup trick, and you gotta find it, and if you can't find it, you know you owe them money. You have to build that out here in this kind of life. This is how you move about now. We're in 2018. You have to do things a totally new way now. So that's why I come in. Your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson. I want to teach you how to brand your own swag, man. I want to teach you more than you even know about yourself, and teach you how you can take yourself to the next level, man, so we can grow you as a person, a business, and so you can go off and build a community, man. Like I said, man, just continue to watch me like you watch TV, man. Watch your income grow. This is your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson. I'm out.